gonna get this window off, and like we got some tins. Should be another guy down in near somewhere. Oh yeah, we got some Torx in it, so get that out, and then we're gonna be replacing this window because it's cracked. So this is getting a used one. Notice this extension size is overkill. Yes. I gotta press that in there and then pull it out from the other side. Yeah, it's right here. Then there's one more right here. Make sure that stays in it. Should be able to get this out.
Daddy, can I help?
Huh? Can you help? Like, we're gonna get these out. And I think this is a T30. I could be wrong. It's just not a T30. It could be T27, but it is a T30. If I'm wrong, just put it in the comment section. But you should be lucky. I'm showing you how to get this. So let's get those out. Then get my fingernail under here. Literally get your fingers inside of there, period. And then just run them across until it pops open. Just like that. Just all the way around. Just like that. And work my way up.
Daddy, I need to pull it off.
Two Torx. Is one like is buried inside of there, or is probably missing. I don't know. And then 1 second, Malik. And then just screw this off, because just take it off. It's too hot for all of this shit. And if it is missing one, that's what I wanted to say. Alright, let me sit that right in there for a second. Then we should be able to lift the whole thing out. And then want to disconnect these if you want to. Get this out. Come on. And then we got a latchy guy, which that can be done. Watch out for your ambient light, John. Cool. And then just like that. Let's get the window. Put the switch or connect it back up again. Why? Because I need the window to roll up and down. So I need to find out where my point's at to get the glass out. So let's bring the window down. It's one, and then we should follow to see where the other one is. Right there. So let's get the 2 tins. So I hope this glass don't fall. Realistically, I don't think you need to take this out completely. Let's put it back in there. But you might need to hold the back side of it to get it to catch. Why? Because that's like a little, how can I say it, like a little pocket that opens. And it's not, it separates. Without the screw, it'll fall out of place. So just keep the screw in there and it just open it basically. And you can just pull it straight up. Keep that up there. You should be able to get the glass out now. And that's how you get the window glass out. So let's install it back again. See the cracks? Cool. Let's get her in. This one, I'm tripping. This must be tinted on here or something. Sure as hell got tint. It's going on there. It's going on. She might like it anyway. Watch yourself, son. Alright, so I'm gonna install it the same way I took it out. Dip it at an angle. And you want it to rest inside the track. There's a track right there. Make sure they go in simultaneously at the same time. As soon as you like lower it down, as it's like going in there. Let me see something. There we go. We in there. Takes a little while to set in that track, but once you on that track, you know you on the track here and over there. Start lowering it down. You might need to open this, like how I told you before. That's in there a little bit, and this one, you look like that one is in there too. It looks like I just need to get it to go down more. Let me put my finger in there. All right, cool. That's in there. Then make sure that's in there. So now I'm just hand tighten it.